I just finished eating my lunch. But I'm kind of tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap. What was that sound? I think it was the doorbell. Let's go check. What is that? Let's go check. This is my dream toy. Let's take it inside. Let's look at the box. A crown which is so cute. An older sister and a little sister. The older sister comes with the dog and the little sister comes with the puppy. And there's even minis of them, which is so cute. And this is part of the Princess Party collection. I can't believe I have this. I've been wanting it for so long. Let's open it up. Let's flip it over to open the box. There's a part that says open here. Now time to pull it down. This is like a door. It can open and close. Let's take out what's inside. Let's see everything we got inside. A tree. It's green and it comes from nature. Let's look at all the little details on it. 2 buttons, a heart gem, scissors, a bow, and some yarn. And it's double-sided. That's so cool. Some grass. That also comes from nature and it's also green. Look at the buttons on it. It's so cool. A paper. It has a crown on it. It's so pretty. And another crown. I love the little details on it with all the pearls. And next, a collector's guide. I bet it has all the Lalaloopsies you can collect. Now let's build the tree and the crown. This is what they look like. They look so cool. Now it's time for my favorite part, unboxing the doll. Now it's the part for using scissors, but I'm not old enough to do it, so I have to ask an adult to help me. Now that an adult helped me, let's take all of them out. First, let's take out the little puppy. Now let's take out the dog. Now I'm so excited because we're taking out the little sister. She's so cute.
Thank you so much for taking me out, Melia, but can you please take out my older sister?
Yes, of course I'll take her out. She's so beautiful. I'm so happy I unboxed them. Let's take a moment to look at their beautiful dresses. With these, but I think something's missing. Do you guys know? I got it! The little dolls! Let's open them up. Let's make the dolls appear. I can't wait to open up the mini toys. everything that came in the box. Thank you for watching me unbox this. Please subscribe for more videos like this. But wait, what about the treasure box? Let's go grab it. Where did it go?